Hello and welcome back to tazwells12. You're on my YouTube channel, which is tazwells12, and I am the host, who is Tara Wells. Today's video is going to be a makeup review testing tutorial video. Before I get into the product and show you what it is and where it has come from, I just want to say the nitty-gritty stuff first, which is the first thing is I do look a bit rough today. I do know that it has been the Christmas period. I have slept a lot and I don't know what's going on with my skin, so I'm going to sort that out tonight. But yeah, like, I've had a little bit of a breakout, but this can be all sorted because I'm going to have a little pamper tonight. The first thing is, if you do like the video and you do like the advice or do like the product or the content, then please do remember to give it a massive thumbs up, because it helps me out. It helps people see the video a lot more. Give the video a thumbs up. Also, if you are not subscribed to tazwells12 or the little love family, then please subscribe for absolutely free by clicking the subscribe button on my main page, and you will be part of my YouTube journey. And also remember to hit the notification bell, because that will tell you when a new video is uploaded. There's some Christmas ones on there at the moment, but I don't know when these are all going to go on there, so I'm going to try and do these through the beginning of January, so you've got quite a lot of videos to look at, because these are quite seasonal things, but I've just not had the time to film them. Please check out my other social medias, which is one on Twitter, 2 on Instagram. So you've got tazwells12, which is my normal account, tazwells12 home, which is my home account. Check, like, follow, comment, whatever you like to do, please. Please comment down below. I will 100% comment on every single comment that is on my videos, and like the comment too, so definitely comment down below. The video is not sponsored by any of the brands or any of the places I do mention. This is just an advice video for you guys, and it's all out of my own money, so it's not sponsored in any way. I think that is everything. So now we will get on into the makeup review testing tutorial video. Before I show you the product, I just want to explain a little thing first. We saw in the Black Friday deals this set, and I wanted a palette out of this box set, but now I've got the box and the products. There's some lovely products in here. So this is what the product originally looked like, how it came, and I opened it, and I was going to do a reveal of what was in here, but I've kind of just left it as it is, but I'm going to show you what it is anyway, then do the products separately in individual videos, because I think that some of the products I've already tried a little bit and they are amazing. So I got the I Heart Revolution hamper, and this was originally like 60 quid or something ridiculous like that, and I loved one of the palettes in there, and I was never going to buy it at 60 quid or whatever it was. It was just too much. It was £60 or £50 or something like that. I was like, right, if it goes down to lower than or £20, then I will buy it. So it went down to £24, and I was like, no, I'm still not going to buy it. I want that palette, but I'm still not going to buy it. So then it went down to £17.50, and then that's when I bought it, because I had to buy a load of Christmas presents off the website, because it was Black Friday, and I bought some other little palettes and other little things off of there too. I got this for £17.50, and there's quite a few items in there. To explain that is because one of the items I'm going to test out in today's video is to do with that box, and I don't think you can buy it separate, so it will just be in that box that you can just buy this. I'm going to be doing this lipstick, and this is the Gingerbread Lipstick. So it has this little cute design on the front like this with the gingerbread, and then you can sort of see the colour down below, which it looks really nice nude actually. Saw this, but I don't think I would have brought it if it was on their own, but because it was in the box, I think I'm going to really like this. So if I open it up and take it all the way up, there you go. So you can see it's this beautiful brownish nude that looks like it's going to be matte as well, which I really like this. I think this is going to be really nice. I'm just going to clip my hair up, and then we're going to test this together. I'm not going to put a lip liner on, because I think this is going to be matte anyway, And I feel like if you put a lip liner on with a matte lipstick, it doesn't work anyway. And normally with a matte lipstick, it just goes sliding on very well. And I've had one from Revolution that kind of looks the same as this, that I have done a review, but I don't think I've posted it yet. But it looks pretty much like this, and it's a matte, and it literally just glided on. So that's what I'm going to do. So 2 minutes, I will be back. Hair is all clipped up now. I just clip it so you can see it basically on my face, and my fringe is not in the way. So I've got a mirror here. If I look down, I'm looking at that mirror. I'm going to come close as possible I can, so you can see it on my lips. Please excuse this because it is just popped up today, which is not what I wanted. But we are gonna review this now. So if I just undo it again, that should be enough. So I'm just gonna start at the bottom lip. I always do because that's my fullest lip. And I think this is gonna be really, really nice. Oh, look at that. It's like the really nicest brownie nude. Sorry about my lips as well, like, I just have not had time to pamper myself through Christmas. I've just enjoyed the season, and I've just enjoyed it with my family. Yeah, this is really creamy and really nice. Pigment is coming out like fantastic, to be honest. I've hardly used any. There is like, now I've used it because I was trying to figure out if this was smelling like gingerbread. And there's like that fake, I can't make out if it's chocolate or it's gingerbread scent, if that makes sense. But there's definitely a scent in it now. I've used it, like I've kind of warped it up a bit or warmed it up, so it's kind of got going a little bit. This is the colour. Isn't that pretty? Like when I saw this, I thought I'm gonna like that straight away. That colour is so pretty. That is just gorgeous. Like, I think this is going to be one of my go-to lipstick because look, if you look at it, it doesn't look like I've got lipstick on, which I love them sort of colours because they don't look like in your face, if that makes sense. Like, I could have a really nice bright colourful eye on with this lipstick and it would look really, really nice because you wouldn't like think that I have lipstick on. You probably think I would have like a normal, kind of looks like a lip tint. I could have done with a little lip liner just to do the corner, so I'll remind that for next time. But yeah, I think this would go with a nice colourful eye. It would obviously go with a nice smoky brown eye or a really dark smoky brown eye as well. Like, honestly, this is really lovely. So I'm going to take my hair down and then we will do the kiss test and then I'll do my verdict on this Gingerbread I Heart Revolution product. Unclipped fringe. I think this is really nice. This could be like a day lipstick. It could be a night lipstick. It could be like going out with friends, lunch lipstick. It could be going to the club. It could be going to cocktail bar. Like literally any of this lipstick is really nice. I'm going to do the kiss test a minute because I feel like this is dried and I'm hoping this is going to be matte because if it's a matte, it's even better. Like, I love a matte lipstick. Oh, it is, look. Wow, like it's literally like the tiniest bit of payoff has come out on my hand. Like, that is amazing. So that is a matte lipstick, which is incredible. You can kind of feel it on your lips a tiny little bit that it is matte, but it's not like horrible. It's quite smooth and cream. Like I said, it was going on like a dream when I was putting it on. My verdict for this Gingerbread I Heart Revolution product is a massive thumbs up. I'm so glad this was put in the box. The only down thing I do not like about it is the fact that it has got this cheesy little gingerbread on it. It's very, very cute, don't get me wrong, but if you took this out, it doesn't look very, very nice, if that makes sense, because you always have to take a lipstick out with you that you've always put on your lips, or gloss that you're going to put on after, or something that's going to keep you for the rest of the night. That's the only bit I don't like. I do think it's cute, but I genuinely think they could have done it like a little bit nicer. Like, they could have done it like black and then like a really rosy gold gingerbread man, and then that would have probably looked a little bit more better. That's the only thing I don't like about it. I do like about it, but I don't, if that makes sense. So yeah, but the whole product in a whole is a massive thumbs up. Unfortunately, we have come to the end of the makeup review testing tutorial video on the Gingerbread I Heart Revolution product lipstick. Love this, absolutely a massive thumbs up, and it is going to be one that I'm going to be using a lot. Loved it, loved it, loved it. But if you love the product and you love the review, you love the advice, you love the content, the products, whatever I give in this video, then please do not forget to give it a massive thumbs up to tell me that you like it. If you like it, then the video will go around to a lot more people and they will see it. These are advice videos and I want people to see these because I don't always see these products. Some products I do, other people do, but some products that I do, I don't see any videos for this. So that'd be great if you could let this one go round with a thumbs up. Please do not forget to subscribe to tazwells12 or my little love family, because that would mean the world to me, and you can join my YouTube journey as we go along. Hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and you will be away. The video is not sponsored by any of the brands or any that I have mentioned in this video. It's an advice video for you guys and a testing tutorial video so you can see what the product's like, and it's not sponsored, it's all out of my own money. So check out my other social medias, which is 1 on Twitter, 2 on Instagram. Comment down below. I will 100% comment on your comment and like your comment every single time. I hope you've enjoyed the video. Thank you for supporting. Have a lovely day or lovely evening. Take care and I'll see you soon, guys. Bye.